Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Have you guys seen these blenders at Walmart? They are by Walmart. I just put this in the packaging so you guys can see the packaging because it's hard to see with nothing behind it. This is Equate. So this is the Equate brand is by Walmart. These little suckers are just a few dollars at Walmart. I tried it out. I was like, hey, a beauty blender is a beauty blender. I always get the E-Tool beauty blenders because they're so bouncy and fluffy. So when I wet this, it got really puffy and I thought, okay, well, it's not super dense and it's not super soft, which I like an in-between, a little bit more bouncy, but a little bit in between from a hard and a soft. So I thought I would give this a whirl, a try, and I'm gonna say don't buy this beauty blender. This beauty blender is actually what, it's like maybe $4, $3 or $4, something like that at Walmart. So it's cheap, and I thought, hey, I might as well try it. But this for foundation is like when you start bouncing, like it doesn't feel like it's gonna be hard, but as soon as you start bouncing, it feels like you're beating your face with something. Like it does not feel good. It is too dense and it grabs the product a little bit too much and pulls it back off your skin. So I just wanted to FYI you guys on this beauty blender. Skip it. Go to the E-Tools, get an E-Tool blender. They are amazing. This, I'm just going to tell you, please pass. I'm trying to save you guys some money here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tiny little review. I know I'm not, you know what? I'll show you guys a little clip of me trying to put the foundation and how it's like bam, bam, bam. How it's too heavy. But please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you could, and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. Let's get to that video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Bye.